What if the food you have in your kitchen right now could either protect your brain or accelerate its decline? Every day, your brain is rebuilding itself, making new connections, and repairing damage. The critical question is, what are you feeding it? The good news is that the foods you eat can significantly influence your brain's health, vitality, and resilience as you age. Science has identified specific nutrients and food groups that support cognitive function, reduce inflammation, and slow down neurodegeneration. Today, we'll explore the most effective, evidence-based foods that can help prevent cognitive decline and keep your mind sharp for years to come. This isn't about quick fixes or miracle cures. It's about making small, sustainable dietary choices that, over time, create a powerful foundation for long-term brain health. Whether you're in your 30s or 70s, implementing these foods into your routine can have a meaningful impact. Let's dive into the science-backed foods that can help preserve your mental clarity, memory, and overall cognitive vitality. Number 1. Blueberries, the brain's natural antioxidant powerhouse. Let's start with blueberries. These small, delicious fruits pack a punch when it comes to brain health. They're loaded with anthocyanins, a group of plant compounds responsible for their deep purple-blue color. What do anthocyanins do? They are powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce oxidative stress, a damaging process that occurs when free radicals attack neurons. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to aging and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Research from the University of Cincinnati found that regular blueberry intake is associated with improvements in memory, executive function, and cognitive performance, especially in older adults. These compounds also stimulate neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons, in the hippocampus, the brain region crucial for learning and memory. Additionally, blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties, which are vital because chronic inflammation in the brain is linked to cognitive decline and neurodegeneration. The anti-inflammatory effects help maintain healthy neuron function and communication. Number 2. Turmeric, the golden anti-inflammatory. Next up is turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine. Its active compound, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its potent anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Why is inflammation a problem? Chronic inflammation in the brain accelerates neurodegeneration, contributes to the formation of amyloid plaques, and impairs neuronal communication. Curcumin helps counteract this process by inhibiting inflammatory pathways and reducing oxidative stress. Scientific evidence supports the role of curcumin in cognitive health. Clinical trials have shown that older adults taking curcumin supplements experience improvements in memory, attention, and mood. Brain scans have demonstrated fewer amyloid and tau protein plaques, hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease in those supplementing with curcumin. How to enhance absorption? Curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed by the body. To maximize its bioavailability, combine it with piperine, a compound found in black pepper. Piperine can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Number 3. Fatty fish, building brain cell membranes. Now, let's focus on fatty fish, specifically salmon, sardines, mackerel, herring, and anchovies. These are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. Why is DHA important? Your brain is about 60% fat, and DHA is a critical component of neuronal membranes. Adequate DHA levels maintain membrane fluidity, which is essential for fast and efficient communication between neurons. Scientific research consistently links omega-3 intake with better cognitive function, improved memory, and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. In addition, omega-3s help regulate mood and reduce inflammation in the brain. Studies have shown that people with higher omega-3 levels tend to perform better on memory tests and maintain sharper mental acuity as they age. How much omega-3s do you need? Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. A typical serving is about 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. If you dislike fish or have dietary restrictions, consider algae-based omega-3 supplements or plant sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. However, note that plant sources contain ALA, a less bioavailable form of omega-3s, so supplementation may be more effective if your diet is low in fish. Number 4. Leafy greens, nutrients for brain preservation. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens, and arugula are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamin K, folate, lutein, and antioxidants. Why are they so beneficial? Vitamin K supports myelin formation, the fatty sheath that insulates nerve fibers, essential for fast signal transmission. Folate helps lower homocysteine levels, a compound associated with increased risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. Lutein accumulates in the brain and acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting brain cells from oxidative damage. A large-scale study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that individuals consuming 1 to 2 servings of greens daily maintained cognitive abilities comparable to those 11 years younger. Now, before we move on to the remaining powerful foods, if you're finding this information helpful so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more science-based health tips, and share this with others interested in aging well and maintaining cognitive health. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Number 5. Dark chocolate, a delicious cognitive boost. High-quality dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, is rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain, stimulate neural growth, and reduce inflammation. Scientific evidence indicates that cocoa flavonols can improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. In fact, research published in Nature Neuroscience found that flavonoids can reverse age-related memory decline by 20 to 30% over just 3 months of regular intake. Number 6. Nuts, nutritional power for brain resilience. Nuts, especially walnuts, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. These nutrients support neuronal integrity, reduce oxidative stress, and promote emotional stability. Research shows that regular nut consumption is associated with improved reaction times, better memory, and slower cognitive decline. Walnuts, in particular, contain high levels of DHA and polyphenols, which are beneficial for brain health. Number 7. Fermented foods, gut-brain connection. Finally, don't overlook the importance of gut health and brain health. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and fermented vegetables are rich in beneficial probiotics. Why does this matter? A large portion of serotonin, the chemical associated with mood and happiness, is produced in the gut. An imbalanced gut microbiome has been linked to increased inflammation, mood disorders, and cognitive impairment. Including fermented foods in your diet can promote a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports mental clarity, emotional resilience, and reduced stress levels. Your brain is one of your most valuable assets. Nourish it with these science-backed foods, and you're investing in a future of mental clarity, sharpness, and vitality. Thanks for watching. Take care of your brain. It truly deserves it.